Okay. Uh, it's open, and apparently I am primed all the way through the pickup tube because it's not taking any more oil. And I'm essentially out up here at the top. I just have what's in the line right here. And it's building a vacuum on it. So to get the vacuum off, let's see if we can do this without scalding your eyeballs. We'll turn it off. And we'll just see if it'll do it. See if it'll pull the rest. But she's full. Yep. And I know I'm not leaking because I got the pan right under it. Boy, look at the ants. And your battery cable, not your battery cable, but your wiring harness, little clips that go inside that trough. This is them, alright? You have 3 of them. And they go on that plastic loom. And now I got to put the rest of my air compressor together, bolts in it, tighten that up. Put the cross member in, put that plug in first, because that cross member is just in the way. And then put some water in it.